karam di harmony ko business kina tuan thamu personal kina tuan thamu ko ade ai hak tu khalame business to tar tuan na thamba ai family ge jina tuan thamba ade personal ge jina tuan thamba smine ai khalame ba ham tamla ado myam ko sum khanjala kanda sigi concept se yam tina la le myam ko boy kitang mudi controversy ore adubu si la le buza ai proof to jar ke ba ko actual ko ai real life da aina to jagi ba thengna gi myam da ing si hajar ke ba so sigi content da aina cover to do sa kai do no family members friends ko circle ko si khang chana myam jan ha ki business da pun ma matan da karim ta problem nei te myam ko yam na zu fai ko sigi videos da cover to ke ba. Hey everyone, my name is Thokchom Surmangol Singh. I'm the founder of Asur.com. Today, I'm here to teach you the modern new way of education to develop your skill set by using my 5 pillars of success. So, mayam da aina ngasigi contents da uncover tawduse kay no hamtamda. Families and friends are the best person in your business. Ko families member dagi natraga friend circle dagi ko nangi company da nauji nang company mla ring khala seba adu da hire to matam da moi akhui gi friend circle de hire to boro families da hire to boro these are the best. I'm telling you ko proof am jo hajaram ge ambani family ngo mai macha ga de loina ma board of director da yawro ido tam na ko family yaw de apote bhai adigi not only that akhui kanu da so friend circle ge su loin mak support change ba nang thanda le kamaina success hoide no si ma swaya ro so the point is number 1 da aigi company da jo huzik aina aigi ko angang gai huzik aina hire tor ko matam da aigi wife ki magi mamana bigi manong nupa ne huzik for example khoi Gregson ko huzik ma ki da we mana chang pa matam da just graduate lora chang pa matam da kaimta haib na te ba huzik change huzik aina ka dora ma ju marketing head oina buthokre adi mai mamana ba amjung pore ko Gregson na noje khoi sales la man mu ka dora sales mu tar adi mu mai mamana ba mu video editor ma mu adi mu video editor ma mu ko ang na ju join tar khoi friend circle nga tane ba ai company ji da aduga sidai da hire to matam na ai gi oina di young men guys ai hire to ni ba let's say Gregson harge Sebastian harge Ronald harge they are all young talented people ko aina khangdam yamama moina ju khangame ba because they are smart ko mo yam thin smart oi aduga moi da zik lai jeba TikTok Instagram Facebook karigram am ko huzik matam ji ge chatna bi je moi loi khange editing de kai de kra de ge so for me young people are the best people to hire your company nangi recruit tong matam da aina huzik pokta ai career da aina hire to jari ba mi myam se ko international oina around 2000 plus employee ai hujipukta ai interview tor ai ko moyama ai company ga aina company manga US da lai matam da aina moigi kano myam se company gi recruit tor ko ai phasa ba mi kamaina world best kamaina hire tor to no habsa ai phasana interview tor ko adu experience oi phangi ba adubo khoi Manipur da la matung da ai gi yamna nuai jaba experience am phangba ta da ai gi company aina recruit to gi man pura young ata to ni na ko they are all young hustler ko do khoi je huzik pura speed of implementation de yam thu by time duga ai yoina di ai 35 plus da di ai punchi dai hire so atawra kai no ha matam da naha aduna hena pharei ko in terms of moidi kem problem like ba ai company na failure matam na they will not gonna lose nothing ko huzik moi kaimta expensive over na te moi life da huzik bill kaimta thiba na te ko parents kaina piba chaba thakpa tor noin leiba de dum moi pesa tam ba hor abne ba aduga whereas ko khogi 35 plus above the leiba khogi chino ko sina ai all people hire game what the all be no si sina ga ino ham tam da moi jida amo hire to tar de moi di mo family pu ba yom ne de ge moi tension me am de kai de kra de ko every time I headache work ani ba aduna yargadi sumba young people talented leiba ko graduate kitang lo selakpa phong sorry but my brand man the sumba hire to targadi aduki matik nang company the expansion yam ti churokane example ko every month ko each and every person in our company they bring money ko to the company no matter what koi loinamak ko every month kudingi dum ko 6 figures adum tali ko aduna ahoina sigi concepts ya mayam na su khangbiyo ba hoi horpode mo experience like adu di khara train to dana you have to train like crazy ko ai phasana train tori Gregson ko adi dum leidana aina khangjaruba knowledge kara ade aina thabak chila agadi aina hana loina jaramba ai manaba ai friend circle azuda mu Gregson mu ta aniba aina sangaktra ganda adubu takchari ba khra dudi ma phasana henda ba yaroi ade mana mu hotna ba mu ma thok dai ba aduga naha gaidi hotna ba jam kalli ko man moina kaiguma mu kitang interested laigadi thijan khochon maje naha ne heleba adu han gaina mu problem laigo financially gi depression gi anxiety laibagi adugi adagi ko aduna yargadi ko free oiba young oiba talented chena hire to view nang company aduki matik speed engalakani aizu khalam me hana experience yam laiba mi pameba but at the end of the day matha am sai me ko si seng na harbane aduna ngasimak nangi company hoktargadi ko families and friend circle are the best people to work in your business. Ko sida ko mi me amna haibado personal yin to an thamu business kin to an thamu ko si thabok sima I completely la le na haninge ko aduna I gidi I will hire young talented people for my company aduna myam ko yargadi nangi company ma start tor ku matamda ko young oiba mi on hire to bioba my experience like this no tambir lo ge doge ko nangna mu haitredana kanaguma manni ega phasana tambi biaiba so yam adu oitargadi ke no business ka personal ga punba yade khote ngaside thaja biro no animak punjan biai pullaga ne phasana tawhar biai buji ai pulisidi example ne real example ni ai company da huji ko yauri mam se ai gi friend circle ai gi nupi gi friend circle dagi ko magi mama nabi gi manong pa myam tawga huji koi company chalai sidi so my friends adu oitargadi ko sidagi akoina sigi contents de akoina recap on tam tu je kaina families and friends are the best people which we can work in this 21st century ma'am sigi video je pamitargadi makhada pizari ba akoi community gi lingam yawni sida click to biro join to our community we will teach you the modern new way of education for free come and join us today so thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next video appreciate it